Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn about relation between roots of quadratic equation and its coefficients. Students, we have learned to find the roots of quadratic equation through different methods. These methods are factorization method, second method is completing square method, and third is formula method. Now let us learn about interesting fact that there is a relationship between the roots and coefficients of quadratic equation. Let us consider a standard form of quadratic equation: x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are the coefficients and these coefficients are any of the real number, where a is not equals to 0, a is coefficient of quadratic term, b is coefficient of middle term, c is coefficient of constant term. Here variable is x. Now let us consider their roots. Let alpha and beta are the roots of that quadratic equation. By using formula method we can write roots as alpha equals to minus b plus into square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta equals to minus b minus into square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we are going to add these roots. When we add these roots, minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, value of alpha plus value of beta is minus b minus into root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now here denominators are equal, so we can write it as minus b plus b square minus 4ac plus into minus into root b square minus 4ac. Here these two terms are equal but their signs are different, so these two terms are cancelled. Minus b, here these two terms are also equal but they have same sign, so we can add these terms. Minus 2b, 1b plus 1b is 2b upon 2a. Here 2 cancelled, so minus b upon a. That means alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. This is a relation between roots and coefficients of that quadratic equation. These are the coefficient and alpha and beta are the roots. This is first relation. Now when we multiply these roots, then we get another relation, alpha into beta. So first root is minus b plus into root b square minus 4ac upon 2a into minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we are going to multiply these two brackets. Here multiplication of denominators, 2 into 2 is 4, a into a is a square. Now numerators are binomial expressions. First term minus b, second term is into root b square minus 4ac. Here first term is minus b, second term. Here we can use an identity a plus b, a minus b equals to first term square minus second term square. First term plus second term into first term minus second term, we can write it as first term square minus second term square. Here first term is minus b in both identity expressions, first term are equal, second term is also equal, and there is different signs. So we can by using that identity we can write it as minus b square, that means first term square, minus second term square. Negative b square is positive b square, minus, here root is going to eliminate, b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac च्या रूटचा स्क्वेअर आहे म्हणून मग ते रूट इलिमिनेट होत आहे अपॉन 4a square. When we open that bracket by multiplying negative sign, minus into plus minus b square, minus into minus plus 4ac upon 4a square. b square getting cancelled, 4ac upon 4a square. 4 cancelled, a is also cancelled, here c upon a. A square means a into a, and ac numerator is ac, here a is cancelled, so c upon a. That means relation is alpha into beta equals to c upon a. So we can write final conclusion as if ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation and alpha and beta are their roots, then alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. That means minus into coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Here b is coefficient of x, so minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. That means alpha plus beta equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. This is first relation. Second relation is alpha into beta equals to c upon a. That means constant coefficient or constant term. Constant term is c upon coefficient of a is coefficient of x square. These two relations we have got here. Now let us apply these relation on a quadratic equation and check. We are going to check these relations. Now we are going to take an example of quadratic equation. X square minus 15x plus 54 equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. Now this is the quadratic equation, x square minus 15x plus 54 equals to 0. Now by using any of the method we can find the roots of that quadratic equation. Here I already find the roots of that quadratic equation. Roots are 9 and 6. So therefore alpha equals to 9 and beta equals to 6. Therefore alpha plus beta equals to 9 plus 6 equals to 15. Number 1. Alpha into beta equals to 9 into 6 equals to 54. Number 2. Now by comparing x square minus 15x plus 54 equals to 0 with x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. याच्यासोबत जर कंपेअर केलं तर आपल्याला a ची व्हॅल्यू 1, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a इज 1, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ b इज -15, value of c is 54. Now we know that the relation is alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a and alpha into beta equals to c upon a. This is the relation. We have already find it. Now value of alpha plus beta is 15, so minus b upon a equals to value of minus b upon a is minus value of b is minus 15 upon value of a is 1, minus minus plus 15 upon 1, that means 15. From 1, alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. Value of alpha plus beta is 15 and value of minus b upon a is also 15. That means alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. And value of c upon a equals to value of c is 54 upon value of a is 1. That means value of c upon a is 54. From one end, this is 3, this is 4. From 2 and 4 we get alpha into beta equals to c upon a. To obtain a quadratic equation having given roots, these relations can also be used to form a quadratic equation if roots are known to us. If alpha and beta are roots of the quadratic equation, in variable x, then x square minus sum of roots. When roots are known to us, then we can find that quadratic equation by using that formula x square minus sum of roots into variable x plus product of roots equals to 0. This is the formula for finding a quadratic equation when roots are given. Here alpha and beta are the roots, so x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. This is the formula for finding the quadratic equation when roots are given. By using that relation alpha plus beta, we put here the value alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. We can find that quadratic equation. Now here is a question: form a quadratic equation if roots are 3 and minus 10. Look at here how to find that quadratic equation. By using the steps, let us consider alpha equals to first root and beta equals to minus 10. Therefore, first we have to find alpha plus beta equals to 3 plus minus 10 equals to minus 7, and alpha into beta equals to 3 into minus 10 equals to minus 30. By using that formula, the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. This is the formula to form a quadratic equation when roots are given. X square minus alpha plus beta is minus 7 into x plus alpha into beta is minus 30 equals to 0. X square minus into minus is plus 7x plus into minus 30 equals to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Now we are going to take another question. Form the quadratic equation if roots are 2 minus root 5 and second root is 2 plus root 5. First, let alpha equals to 2 minus root 5. First root is 2 minus root 5 and second root is 2 plus root 5. First we have to find alpha plus beta equals to 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Root 5 plus root 5 minus root 5 cancelled. So plus 2 is plus 4. Alpha into beta equals to 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. By using that identity, a minus b into a plus b, that means first term minus second term into first term plus second term equals to first term square minus second term square. त्या आयडेंटिटीचा यूज करून आपण लिहू शकतो. बघा, फर्स्ट टर्म 2 आहे, सेकंड टर्म रूट 5, फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वेअर मायनस सेकंड टर्म स्क्वेअर. So 2 square is 4 minus root 5 square is 5. That means alpha into beta equals to minus 1. Now the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. This is the formula for finding a quadratic equation when roots are given. X square minus alpha plus beta, value of alpha plus beta is 4 into x plus value of alpha into beta is negative 1 equals to 0. Then x square minus 4x plus minus 1 equals to 0. This is required quadratic equation. Let us see another example. Find value of k if roots of equation kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0 are real and equal. Here equation is kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. We can simplify it as by multiplying kx into bracket kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equals to 0. Now by comparing with x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, value of a is k, value of b is minus 2k, value of c is 6. Now roots are real and equal. Therefore म्हणजे जर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशनचे रूट्स रियल आणि इक्वल असतील तर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनंट इक्वल्स टू 0. So by putting value of b, minus 2k bracket square minus 4 into value of k, a is k, into value of c 6 equals to 0. Negative 2k square is positive 4k square minus here 6 4s are 24k equals to 0. Here by putting k 4k as common, 4k in bracket k minus 6 equals to 0. Therefore here product of two numbers is 0. That means 4k equals to 0 or k minus 6 equals to 0. Value of k is 0 upon 4 or value of k is 6. Value of k is 0 or k equals to 6. This value is invalid because when we take value of k as 0, here quadratic term is getting 0, so we cannot take the value of k as 0. Now let us take another question. Find k if the sum of the roots of quadratic equation x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equals to 0 is double their product. That means sum of the roots of that quadratic equation is double their product. Now let us find that solution, find the value of k. First we write that equation x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equals to 0 by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We got values of a, b, c. Value of a is 1, value of b is minus 4k, value of c is k plus 3. Now alpha plus beta equals to, we know that relation between roots and coefficient, alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. Value of b is negative 4k upon value of a is 1. So minus minus plus 4k upon 1, that means alpha plus beta is 4k. Alpha into beta is c upon a. Value of c is k plus 3 upon value of a is 1. That means alpha plus beta equals to k plus 3. Now we have given that sum of roots is double their product. This is given in the question. Now sum of roots is 4k equals to 2 into alpha into beta is k plus 3. Now by simplifying it as 4k equals to 2 into k is 2k plus into plus 2 3s are 6. 4k minus 2k equals to 6. 4k minus 2k is 2k equals to 6. K equals to 6 upon 2. Value of k is 3. So we have find the value of k.